Hello and welcome back to Beach Out. Now today you see me without my specs because it is so hot and humid over here in Delhi that my specs are getting fogged up, and as you can see I am already in a ton of sweat. So apologize for that, unfortunately that you had to see that, but I am not at all apologetic for what I have to show you next. And what I have with me today is probably one of India's most specced out BMW M340i's. This car has probably got everything that you could put on a M340i, along with those gorgeous Vossen rims and a ton of carbon fiber, which I'm going to go through and take you through everything one by one. It also has an exhaust and a performance tune on it. Where I'm actually a little confused where I should start off with this car because it's got so much of stuff. So let's start at the front. I'll have to start the car up to show you some of the other things. This car has been done over here by Upshift Autos as well as the guys next door who are GT tuners. Upshift Autos has done the detailing work. This gorgeous PPF that you see on top, this is their signature work which has been done on this car, along with a ton of other aesthetic mods that have been done and taken care by Upshift. While at the same time, next door they have GT tuners, and GT tuners basically done the performance tuning on this car. You can see from the start that this car has a ton of carbon fiber. There's a carbon fiber grille surround, there is a carbon fiber lip in the front, there are carbon fiber canards on the sides. Moving on to the side, there is more carbon fiber. There's a carbon fiber mirror, there's a full carbon fiber. Further we move back, there is more carbon fiber. There's a carbon fiber kind of a spoiler over here, a top spoiler, and then there's this M3 style carbon fiber spoiler at the back, and further down even there is more carbon fiber with these carbon fiber exhaust tips, the M Performance exhaust with a Emitrix full exhaust system, and this carbon fiber rear diffuser which also has this Formula 1 style light in the middle. And you pop the door open, you find more carbon fiber in the shape of this carbon fiber aftermarket wheel, which also has these shift lights over here at top. This is basically a Carismo design custom wheel with Ferrari spec lights. Actually on the inside this car is already pretty specced out from BMW, where you have these nice racy and comfortable seats. They have a nice amount of side bolstering, they have a lot of thigh support, and they have these M design stitching on them. Popping open the hood, over here you see a Eventuri carbon fiber air intake system, and then along with that over here inside it's got a VRSF downpipe along with the Emitrix full system exhaust which goes all the way till the back till the tips. And this car is a stage 2 car where it's got a MHD stage 2 ECU tune and an XHP gearbox flash. Along with that, it's also running big brakes from M Performance. Now for the next bit, I'll have to turn the car on to show you what that is. And for that, you'll also have to hear the insane loud Emitrix exhaust. Now, this Emitrix exhaust which is fitted to this car is been tuned more. It's been customized to give even more louder sound. Let's hear it. Oh. Woo. That is loud. And the reason why I had to turn the engine on is to show you these headlights. These are basically Bay Optics DRL modules which have been custom fitted to this car, and man, they look aggressive, don't they? They make this car look a lot more aggressive than the stock car. So the good part I like about this setup is that there is a ton of customization, but at the same time all the customization has been done in a very subtle way. I would say in a very tasteful way, not subtle but in a definitely a tasteful way, where you have really nice, very unique looking wheels. You've got that incredible spoiler at the back. Now all that is really good on paper, but what we actually need to do is take this car out on the road and see how it drives. It'll also give me an opportunity to go sit inside the air conditioner and finally get a breather from this insane humidity over here in Gurgaon. Okay, so this is the first time that I'm actually driving a 340i, and to this spec, of course, the first time. Stage 2 tuned car. This is any which way stock a very impressive car. It's become a default for everyone who once owned a VRS, and they are the ones who have now all upgraded to the 340is. Over here on bad roads, again this stock suspension, which is an M Performance suspension, is pretty pliant. The only worry that I have is that it's a little bit of a low car, and I really don't want to damage any of those beautiful carbon fiber bits that are there on the machine. I'm first just going to drive normally. This is currently on drive, D mode, normal comfort settings. Very pliant car. It feels like a car which you could drive every day, and in fact most of the 340i owners do exactly that. If fuel economy is not a concern, which of course it isn't for someone who's driving a 340i, I'm actually quite surprised by how comfortable the suspensions are on this car. So as a daily driver, this is kind of like the perfect car, man. It's got all-wheel drive, so no worries about traction, and in fact when you put your foot down, this thing is just going to scoot down and just go. There's going to be very little drama in terms of getting the rear out or in terms of having a lot of wheel spin in the front. The typical problem with a front wheel drive car. This all-wheel drive will just stick and go. And with a stage 2 tune, this is going to be even a lot more fun. Going on sport mode, what that means is it's going to sharpen the throttle response, it's going to sharpen the transmission, and at the same time it is going to open up a little bit of that exhaust. So here we go, 2000 RPM, foot down on the throttle. Head rush, and those brakes are really handy. Bringing you down from that insane speed, it really does help. This setup with the exhaust is kind of perfect. It's not overly loud, at least over here on the inside. On the outside might be a different story, but inside this actually feels really nice. Okay, trying out the manual on this. Second, sport, individual, foot down. What an engine. That straight 6 is such a brilliant engine. It's got power low down, it's got power in the mid range, but the damping on the inside is super good. No matter how loud that exhaust is on the inside, you don't feel it at all. I'll just put the window down for you to hear. This car is loud from the outside, comfortable from the inside, but when you put your foot down, that straight 6 just sounds so precise. It sounds so nice and revvy that it picks up the revs and just goes. Such a beautiful rev happy engine. This is the thing I love about BMW engines, that they don't feel lazy at all. They just pick up and go for the money that you've paid for them. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I like driving this car. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you in the next one. Till then, ciao.